leveraging omnichannel orchestration for desired business results in the BFSI sector. And for that, I would like to call Ms. Priyanka Chauhan, Marketing Head, Phonon, on dais. Let's applaud for Ms. Priyanka Chauhan.
Thank you for such a warm welcome. Giving a short introduction of myself, I'm Priyanka, heading marketing at Phonon, and I'm thankful to be a part of this event. Thank you, Gain Skills Media, and the pretty and ladies and gentlemen out there hearing me out. As we see, today's subject is enhancing business results through omni-channel orchestration. Now, before I begin, I would like you to take you a tour for a 30-second video. Here we go. Phonon is simplifying communications between organization and their end consumers. With an established clientele and great customer delivery, we cover all the aspects of great communication. Now, this was about Phonon. But when I talk about an hyper-competitive market like BFSI, I guess where money is involved, most importantly, there are two important aspects of it. The first is customer, and the second is collection. Now, when I talk about customer and all the communication that is involved with the bank, the communication has to be interactive and transactional. But what if we also give a customer experience? Like, for example, let's just suggest that I receive a message saying, "Hi, Priyanka, your last EMI is due." With this last EMI, there's nothing changed within the bank and the consumer. It's still transactional interactive, but it gives an customer surprise to an experience to the end consumer, which involves a great relationship between the bank and the client. Second comes the collection. Now, I don't know why, but collection has been an integral part, but at the same time, we rush on the last task for the collection. कि collection करना है, अभी हम क्या solution निकालें, what we can do. But what if we start doing smooth notifications with it? For example, if we start approaching people in advance that there are payments that are coming up with smooth notifications, there's more bandwidth to give more collections. Moving ahead, I would like to describe our products and key features of our company. We use single API for communication, which tends to quickly deliver the information. Not only this, but custom integration on single click also allows customization as per geographical languages and consumer requirements. Moreover, we started thinking what a great solution it is. And based on this greatness, we came up with two successful products, that is FOS Enabler and EasyDel, tracking every little detail for you so that you don't have to put any manual efforts. Now, before I describe EasyDel, there's a saying in Hindi. So I guess we all have experienced that there are always rumors. हमने किसी को कुछ कहा, कुछ बात आगे बढ़ी. ऐसे ही हिंदी में कहते हैं, हर किसी का एक दोस्त होता है जो किसी को कुछ नहीं बताता. EasyDel सच में किसी को कुछ नहीं बताता. So, EasyDel ensures secured and trackable delivery, which is password protected, eliminating manual processes. Everything as per industry and RBI guidelines. हमारे कलेक्शंस के लिए, क्रेडिट कार्ड प्रोसेसेस के लिए, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज के लिए हम लोग काफ़ी सारे फील्ड एजेंट्स को हम लोग इकट्ठा करते हैं, एंड देयर सो मच मैनुअल एफर्ट्स, ट्रैकिंग, परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू दैट वी हैव टू कम अप विथ. बट विथ EasyDel, this is going to be easier. Moving ahead, so now we are in the conference, ladies and gentlemen, and just think you receive a call, and as soon as you pick the call, it's an IVR call. What would you do? You would cut the call, am I right? Surely, you would cut the call. Even I would do that. But what if it is important? BFSI sector is launching so many notifications, so many projects according to for the communication to deliver the important information and data. But as sometimes what happens is when people are not available, or if they are not knowing the importance of the calls or notifications they are receiving, they neglect the call. And the data and information is stopped in between. This is also a reason why consumers are not really aware. जैसे बाल सिंह सर ने कहा कि consumers are not always aware about the digital world that is coming up with, and how well versed they can be with the digital transformation and how convenient things can be. This is going to help it. So, now if I receive an SMS prior to an hour that Priyanka, you are about to receive a robocall regarding your loan process application completion. Maybe I would pick the call. Maybe I'll create a bandwidth to attend the robocall. Maybe I'll have a significance towards the robocall. Okay. This is my best part. This is the flow dashboard of my Phonon central product. Best part about this is you don't have to be expertised in terms of coding to orchestrate the communication journey. Any individual who knows what he wants to communicate to the customer can orchestrate the whole process by just drag and drop, and also show their bosses how hard they have worked. FOS Enabler on similar guidelines will automate communication for your field agents with keen track on movement, client updates, and processes. Talking about the risk management, I really appreciate Bal Singh sir. You have highlighted a very good point today. So I was in a negotiation with a client, and the client said, Priyanka, the rates that you have offered me, I'm getting 30% lesser rates for voice and SMS. And I just had one question, that sir, the service provider that is giving you these rates, are they even audio text license approved? So I have a very proud moment here. Only 10 companies in India are having unified license to provide audio and text services. Only 10 companies in India. Now, talking about the second thing, Truecaller. Now, whenever I'm getting a call, if I am not aware about the number, or if I just want to know that what is this number regarding, or why they are even calling me, why is it getting connected? Is it even worth it that I should invest my time in this number? Should I explore it? I'll go to Truecaller, I'll search it. Now, what happens is, has anyone heard about Jamtara? Yeah. I will create an account that I am from XYZ bank. I'll upload a logo. I'll give a call, and I'll say I'm from this bank, and I'll start scamming people. It was so easy back then. Now people are more updated. But now when you go for Truecaller, you will have a verified business identity. Not all of your end consumers are very well versed with the technology, with the norms, with the RBI guidelines. It is very important for them to feel secured. It is very important for them to be reliable on the bank. They should not hear from the bank, oh, we cannot do anything about this. Because you just have to take care. It is something you have to be aware of. Why don't we do something for our customers? Also, Phonon is a Truecaller verified business channel partner. We are working as gold partners with Truecaller. Moving ahead. There's always a chance of mishap though. No matter how many precautions you take, there's always a chance of mishap. And to avoid that, Phonon is PCI DSS 2.0 compliant secured for all the PIIs, reviewing our codes with VAPT audit regularly. Because my boss likes to micromanage everywhere, so वो data भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं. And ending with this note, I just have a small video which I would like to show you, and if any questions, would like to answer them. So talking a lot about Phonon, I have few minutes more. Phonon is not thinking about business, like obviously it is. It is in a very competitive industry, very cluttered market. But at the same time, we are thinking about customer experience. We are thinking about value addition. We are thinking about how we can create a convenience between bank and the end consumers, keeping them updated. We are not trying to bombard people with notifications ki just like, WhatsApp bhi kar dete hain, email bhi kar dete hain. To all the gentlemen and ladies out here, there would be so many messages, so many emails that we have still not seen. And I guess they'll directly go in the trash also, without ever opening. So we are not really looking forward to bombard people with notifications and a lot of update, but we are looking forward for that one functional update that will give the clarity to the end client. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you so much, Ms. Chauhan, for the valuable session. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Stephen George, Vice President Enterprise Technology, HSBC, to facilitate Ms. Priyanka Chauhan.